Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at this deck job that has been very interesting. But things are going well. It's turned out pretty nice. We're about to start laying some decking, and we've got all the framing done and our knee braces and such. So we got decking run long. We're gonna get a few courses from the end and trim it back so it's just right. Knee braces screwed in place. I really like this product. This is our cedar tone pressure treated lumber that doesn't look as ugly as pressure treated lumber. I'm a fan.